Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we will cover 3 different questions of fractional equation. So stay connect with us till end. Question 1. The given equation is x3 by 3 equals x plus 3 by 6. Let's go to the solution. Step by step. Step 1. Cross multiply. Multiply both sides by the denominators, 3 and 6. x3 times 6 equals x plus 3 times 3. Step 2. Expand the equation. 6x18 equals 3x plus 9. Step 3. Move like terms. Bring variable to one side and constants to the other. We get 6x3x equals 9 plus 18. We get 3x equals 27. Step 4. Now simply solve for x. X equals 27, 3 equals 9. Final answer. X equals 9. Question 2. The given equation question 2 is 7x plus 7x, 7 equals 10. Step-by-step solution. Step 1. Simplify the numerator. 7x plus 7x equals 14x. So the equation becomes 14x, 7 equals 10. Step 2. Simplify the fraction, we get 2x equals 10. Step 3. Solve for x. X equals 10, 2 is equal to 5. Final answer. X equals 5. Question 3. The given equation for question 3 is 2x plus 5, 3 equals 7. Step 1. Eliminate the fraction. Multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of the denominator. We get 2x plus 5 equals 7 times 3. So 2x plus 5 equals 21. Step 2. Subtract 5 from both sides. 2x plus 5 to 5 equals 21 to 5, like this we get 2x equals 16. Now, divide by 2. X equals 16, 2. X equals 8. Final answer. X equals 8. Thanks for watching the video.